What if I told you that losing weight doesn't require starving yourself or eating boring food? The truth is, what you eat every single day matters far more than any diet pill or expensive program. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what a perfect weight loss day of eating looks like, meal by meal, so you can start seeing real results starting tomorrow morning. Most people fail at weight loss not because they lack willpower, but because they don't have a plan. When you know exactly what to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you make better decisions automatically. Your body starts burning fat consistently, not just when you're motivated, but every single day. That's the power of a daily eating plan. Let's start with breakfast. This is the most important meal of the day for weight loss, and most people get it completely wrong. The perfect weight loss breakfast has three things: protein, healthy fat, and fiber. My go-to is 2 scrambled eggs with half an avocado on whole grain toast, plus a handful of blueberries on the side. This combination keeps you full for 4 to 5 hours, which means no mid-morning cravings and no reaching for unhealthy snacks. The protein from eggs boosts your metabolism, the healthy fat from avocado keeps you satisfied, and the fiber from berries feeds your gut bacteria. Drink a large glass of water with lemon first thing in the morning before eating. It kickstarts your digestion and helps your body burn fat faster. Around 10 to 11 a.m., have a light morning snack. This is important because it prevents you from arriving at lunch starving, which leads to overeating. The best morning snack for weight loss is a small bowl of Greek yogurt with a few mixed berries, or an apple with a tablespoon of natural almond butter. Both options give you protein and fiber, keeping your blood sugar stable. Stable blood sugar means no energy crashes, no cravings, and consistent fat burning throughout the morning. For lunch, think protein and vegetables. My favorite weight loss lunch is a large salad with grilled salmon or chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and a simple olive oil and lemon dressing. This meal is incredibly satisfying, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and has almost zero processed ingredients. The key to a great weight loss lunch is making it big enough that you don't feel deprived, but clean enough that your body keeps burning fat. Avoid anything fried, any white bread, or any heavy, creamy dressings. These spike your blood sugar and immediately stop fat burning in its tracks. Around 3 p.m., have your afternoon snack. This is the most dangerous time of day for most people. The 3 p.m. energy crash leads to grabbing chips, cookies, or whatever is nearby. Instead, have a small handful of almonds, about 15 to 20, with a cup of green tea. The almonds give you healthy fat and protein. The green tea boosts your metabolism and gives you a gentle energy lift without crashing later. This combination carries you all the way to dinner without any cravings. For dinner, keep it simple and light. The best weight loss dinners are high in protein, moderate in healthy carbs, and rich in vegetables. Try baked salmon with steamed broccoli and a small portion of sweet potato, or grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Eat dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. This gives your body time to digest properly and allows fat burning to kick in while you sleep. Avoid eating large amounts of carbs at night. Your body doesn't need the energy, and it gets stored as fat instead of burned. Now, here's the secret to making this work every single day: meal prep. Spend 2 hours on Sunday preparing your meals for the week. Cook your proteins in bulk, wash and cut your vegetables, portion your snacks. When healthy food is ready and waiting, you will always make the right choice. Consistency beats perfection every time. You don't need a perfect diet, you need a consistent one. Start with just breakfast tomorrow, get that right for 1 week, then add lunch, then dinner. Small steps, done consistently, create massive results over time. If this helped you, please hit the like button right now. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new nutrition video. I'll see you in the next one.